Hi students, today I am going to deal with multiple choice questions based on report writing and news writing. Friends, these two components based on writing skills are prescribed for your syllabus to assess your writing skills as well as to enhance your writing skills in report writing and news writing. The university has decided to conduct your end semester examination according to MCQ pattern due to the pandemic situation. So friends, today I am going to deal with MCQ on report writing and news writing. The first component of a writing skill is a report writing. Here we are going to deal with multiple choice questions one by one based on report writing. The first question is, what is report? Here are four options. The first one is, report is a record of facts. B option is, it analyzes a situation or problem. C option is, it often makes recommendation for further action. And last, D option is, all of the above. The correct answer is D option, all of the above. The next question is, report writing may include. Here is four options. A option is a description of a sequence of events or a situation. B option is a careful investigation of facts. C option is both A and B. D option is none of the above. The correct answer is both A and B, means report writing may include a description of a sequence of events or a situation, and also report writing may include a careful investigation of facts. So the correct answer is both A and B. The next question is, report writing consists of. Here is four options. Number one is heading and introduction. Second option is main body. Third option is conclusion, and fourth option is all of the above. The correct answer is all of the above, means report writing consists of heading, introduction, main body and conclusion. So the correct option is a D, all of the above. The next question is, before writing a report, the reporter should decide. Here is a four option. A option is a reader and purpose of writing report. B option is benefits of newspaper agency. C option is likes and dislikes of reader, and D option is all of the above. The correct answer is reader and purpose of report writing. So here friends, before writing a report, the reporter should decide his reader and the purpose of writing report. The next question is based on report writing. What should do the reporter in the introductory part of report? Here is a four option. A option is reporter should add discussion and recommendations. B option is reporter explain the problem or state foremost information. C option is and interesting stories, and D option is all of the above. The correct answer is explain the problem or state the foremost information. Means the reporter should include problem or foremost information in his introductory part. The next question, which point should be included in the main body of a report? Here is four options. A option is relevant and important information. B option is discussion and recommendations. C option both A and B. D option is none of the above. The correct answer is both A and B. In short, in main body of a report, the reporter should include relevant and important information as well as discussion and recommendation. So the answer is both A and B options. The next question is, which tips should be followed in good report writing? Here is four options. A option is keep it simple. B option is keep sentences short and to the point. C option is do not go into much detail unless it is needed. And D option is all of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. Means while the reporter writing good report at that time, he should keep in mind the language of the report writing should be simple. His sentences should be brief, short and to the point, and reporter do not go into much details unless it is needed. So here the correct answer is all of the above. Now I will deal with a multiple choice question based on news writing. News writing is the second component of our unit 8, that is writing skills. In this unit we are going to deal with two kinds of writing skills. The first one is report writing and second one is news writing. Now here are MCQs based on news writing. The first MCQ based on news writing is how the word news is usually interpreted. A option is N for north, E for east, W for west and S for south. B option is national, eastern, worker survey. C option is nature, environment and wildlife society. And D option is none of the above. The correct answer is north, east, west and south. In short, the word news is generally interpreted as north, east, west and south. So the correct answer is north, east, west and south. Second question is, what does the word news mean? Here is four options. The first option is news is just a source of entertainment. B option is news is information about current event or a situation. C option is both A and B. D option is none of the above. The correct answer is news is information about current event, means In short, news means information about current events or situation. So, the correct answer is news is information about current events or situation. The next MCQ is the news answers the A option is our problems or difficulties. B option is question words like who, whom, what, where, how, when, and why. C option is both A and B. And D option is none of the above. The correct answer is question words like who, whom, what, where, how, when, and why. Means the news answer the question words like who, whom, what, where, how, when, and why. Means in short, the news answers the all WH questions. The next question is from which media we can get a news? A option is a word of mouth. B option is a print media. C option is a electronic media. And D option is all of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. Because we can get news from various media just like print media, broadcast media, then word of mouth, and at the same time nowadays we can get the information or we can get the news from social media, digital media. So the answer is all of the above, word of mouth, print media, and electronic media. So the correct answer is all of the above. The next question is what are the main parts of a news item? A option is a headline, introduction, body, and conclusion. B option intro, body, and conclusion. C option is repeated, headline, body, and conclusion. And D option is a headline, intro, and conclusion. And the correct answer is A, headline, intro, body, and conclusion. Means in short, the news item consists of four parts. The number one is a headline, second one is a introducing paragraph, then third unit is a body of the news, and last one is the conclusion of that news. So the correct answer is a headline, introduction, body, and conclusion. The next question is what kind of information should be given in headline or lead line? Option A is concrete information, B is imaginary information, C is misleading information, D is irrelevant information. The correct answer is concrete information. So here friends, headline give us a concrete information. So the correct answer is A option, concrete information. The next question is which tense should be used in a headline or lead line usually? A option is a simple present tense, B option is a simple past tense, C option is a simple future tense, D option is a present perfect tense. The correct answer is a simple present tense. Simple present tense is used in headline or lead line usually. So the correct answer is A option, simple present tense. Here are the different uses of a simple present tense. in this particular slide, the simple present tense is used for newspaper headlines. For example, man enters space. This is the example about a headline of a news item. The next question based on news writing. Introduction of a news item consists of the information like A option is a place of the event, B option is a date of the event, C option is a agency or source of information, and D option is a all of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. Means introduction of a news item consists of information like place, date and agency or source of information. So the correct answer is a D option, that is all of the above. Then the next question is the body of a news item include number one, the number A option is place of the event, B is date of the event, C is agency or source of information, and D is all details of the event. And the correct answer of this question is D option, all above, all details of the event. Means body of a news item includes all details of event, and intro of a news item includes place of the event, date of the event, agency or source of information. But body of a news item includes all details of event. So the correct answer is all details of a event. Next question is, which of the following points should be remembered by the reporter before writing news item? A option is use simple present tense and active voice in headline. B option is avoid complicated sentence structure and use standard vocabulary. C option is conclude the news in a proper way so that it looks as a finished writing. And D option is all of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. Means while reporter writing a news item, at that time he should take into consideration all the three things. Number one is he should use simple present tense and active voice in headline. Second point is avoid complicated sentence structure and use standard vocabulary. And third is conclude the news in proper way so that it looks as a finished work. Means the correct answer is all of the above. This is the last MCQ based on news writing. With this, thank you very much students, and all the best for your end semester examination.